Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all must be fit and fine. So, children, today we'll learn about I Save Water of My Best Book 8. I Save Water of My Best Book 8. So, let's start now. So, I save water. So, what do you mean? What do you mean by I save water? We should save water, right? We should save water. So, now Dadima will tell us and give us the advice how to save water. Okay, so let's go to Dadima's corner now. Dadima is giving you advice on how to save water. Sameer is fond of playing with water. Sameer is fond of playing with water. He takes a long time to bath. He splashes water around when he is watering the plants. He then jumps in the puddle. One day, while he is taking bath, the water stops. Sameer's face is full of lather. Means what? Sameer is fond of playing with water, right? Every time what he used to do it is, when he always used to take a long time bath, and he splashes the water around when he is watering the plant. He also jumps in the puddle. Puddle means what? When some water are stored in some places like this water are here. See what he is doing? He is watering the plant, still then he is splashing the water around. And when some water are stocked or stored in one places, and he used to go and jump on it. Okay. One day what happened? When he was taking bath, so the water stops. He can't see. He calls out his mother to give him a bucket of water. He gets only half a bucket. When he comes out of the bathroom, his mother tells him that there will be no water for next 3 days. See how Sameer is being tense, because every day he used to take long time bath and waste the water. So one day what happened? When he was taking bath, he was full of the soap. Where at that time the water stops. So his mother gave him a bucket of water, and he was very much tense and how he will use this much water to take bath, because every day he used to take long time bath and waste water. So his mother also asked him that there will be no water for next 3 days. But at that time when his mother said him this, that there will be no water, Sameer was very sad and he was very tense also. Sameer feels bad as he always wastes water. The next day it started raining. He rushed out of the house to enjoy it. He learns the importance of water. So, as he knows that for next 3 days he will be getting less water and no water will be there, so he realized about the wasting of water. So he feels bad as he wastes water. The next day, as the rain started, he rushed out of the house to enjoy it, and he learns the importance of water now. Okay, so children, you should not also waste water. When you are washing your hand, you should not open the tap and continuously wash your hand. You should not waste water while watering the plants also. When you are taking bath also, you should not waste water. So children, do you realize what is the importance of water now? Yes? Yes, very good. You must have learned about it. So now what is the moral? The moral of the story is we must save water. It is precious. We must save water. It is precious. So children, this is the end of the syllabus. This is the last chapter of moral science of this year. So children, read the chapter of your own and do the worksheet. I will give it after the class. So do it properly in a very good handwriting. Write in your copy, put the date, chapter name, everything. So till then, thank you. Bye bye.